afternoon and I want to see a bunch of wildlife like birds and frogs.
Know what it looks like. If you're not sure about a plant, don't touch it.
Hi, my name is Sada and I'm looking for butter puppies.
What we're going to do is we have a number of different places where we've got some expert biologists who are going to be looking at birds and looking at insects.
I'm excited because I know what these children have been exposed to, and I'm looking forward to watching them discover the things that I grew up knowing.
There's a educational research project called BioKIDS that involves one of my colleagues, Phil Myers, in the Museum of Zoology and Ecology and Evolutionary Biology and in the School of Education. And they've been working on inquiry-based approaches to learning about nature. The project involves sixth graders taking one species that they do all kinds of research on, a species from the Detroit watershed. And all the kids, and it was hundreds of kids, came to the Michigan Union, the ballroom, and had a massive poster session. Every one of us asked the kids, after we'd asked them all about the organism, and they were so excited and knew a lot, well, have you ever seen one? And I don't think a single person had ever seen one of these organisms. We wanted to help continue the excitement that they had from this project, so we just decided to do it.
So, well, first thing we want to do is talk to the students and say, do you want to go out? Do you want to do this? And we talked to teachers, and everyone was really enthusiastic and really excited, so that made us excited. I went out with a few other individuals and we drove around and looked at some different places, and ultimately came upon this place, which is the Henry Ford Estate. And so it was really perfect for us, and they have programs here and they have trails here, and they're used to having kids. There's about 18,000 kids go through here a year.
And it's just been a blast. The kids are having a great time. I think all the biologists are having a great time. We have a whole lot of faculty, a lot of graduate students and postdocs, a couple of undergraduates from biology, who are all, I think, really excited to be out here and talking to the kids. And the kids are delightful. They're really interested. They get really excited when they see something and they learn what it is.
After the bird came here, because it was brought over for a pet, they escaped and then they've become established here, and they're actually very common.
That's a big old spider.
Right?
The only way you can really get excited about the science of ecology is to first get excited about natural history and the organisms themselves. And that brings you into asking the questions about what do these things actually do. One of the reasons we're so interested in partnering with the Detroit Public School is because it's such a diverse population, and primarily urban, who haven't had a whole lot of exposure to natural history. But because kids from urban environments are often not exposed to this, when they think of biology, the only biology they know about is becoming a doctor. And becoming a doctor is a great goal, but we want to make sure that kids think about a lot of other options. So this is one program that we're developing, but we have a number of other programs that we're developing.
Dragonfly larva?
Because you can see where there's a lobe here, and then it goes up and then comes down. So you need to make sure when you draw your leaves, you draw that in.
I saw lots of insects, and I also saw lots of mammals, and I saw lots of police when we went to the insect section, and we started catching the insects that we saw.
I think we're going to try to do this field trip every year. I think it would be great if it grew. It would be great if we do it again.
Today we saw lots of butterflies, dragonflies, insects, and turtles, fish, and a crayfish, and a big huge bullfrog tadpole, and a little garden snake.
It's really exciting to do that and to see that they are engaged. They love this.
I had lots of fun today.